Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can delete all your posts at the same time on X. In order to do so, first off, here we are on X, and after doing some research on the subject, I discovered that you can not, in fact, delete all of your posts at the same time. The only way to delete your post is to do it one by one. And in order to do so, you need to find the post that you want to delete, and up at the top right hand corner you'll see three little dots. If you click that, then here you're going to see the option to delete. That goes the same for all of your posts. You have to click the three dots, and it has to be a post that you actually posted. So when it comes to removing a post of moving a repost, then what you need to do is you actually need to click the undo repost button and then select undo repost. But as far as your own posts, you can delete those in the same way. You should see the delete option there. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.